Okay, so we've made it to the Dunn River Falls.
We're about to climb the falls with a whole bunch of people.
Get wet and cold.
Apparently we all hold hands, so it could be ugly.
We're gonna see how this goes. Okay, so we are entering
Dunn's River
the
Falls.
Dunn's River Falls.
Doesn't look too busy today.
No, it doesn't look bad at all.
The movie start here, everybody say yay! Everybody say oh, this looks like a tricky spot. Underneath that tree?
Oh yeah.
Whoa, this spot is, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Tomorrow, Consumel, you have one more, yeah?
Dinner? We booked all of them now.
We decided to try them all.
So we have two more.
Yeah, it's by cut and all tacos.
Yeah, we have Ocean Cay and
The
Pola.
Hola, yeah.
Hola.
So, Pola. Yeah, not Pola. Ola. Sorry.
Hola, yeah.
I knew that.
But today you go to Tabayaki, right?
Yes.
See?
Yes. We're hungry. We were out on Dunn's River climbing the falls all day, so
Okay.
I'm ready to eat.
But now, get too much now, yeah?
That's right. I will, for sure.
Because they will make the attraction for you after the event.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. Every now and then I get a little bit. 4, 5, whoa, 2, 3, oh! Yay! Oh! So close. Okay, one more time. Oh, that's the secret for 5.
Magic trick. Disappear.
Magic. Oh, good one. Yay! How do you do that? I didn't see it. I got it on camera. I'm gonna find out. Magic. Yeah. Well, that's interesting. You see that? Yeah. Can't help. You're so fun, you're so mad. Hey, Mickey, you don't know Renee. I know this song. Yay!
Oh, mushrooms. Okay, so don't judge.
Don't judge.
Don't judge. Tonight I got Wagyu. If somebody talked me into it, I don't know who it was. If it was me, I don't know whether. But how some way Wagyu is ending up on my plate.
Which, by the way, was a little bit of an upcharge. That's
Little
what
bit.
we say.
Yeah, no judging.